In order to determine the radius for the circle that we're given, we need to remember the equation for sector area. And so sector area, which in this case is 5 pi, is going to equal the area of the circle, pi times r, the variable we're looking for, squared, and that is going to be multiplied by the sector angle, in this case 45 degrees, divided by 365 degrees. So we can simplify that fraction on the right to begin, and we'll have 5 pi is equal to pi r squared multiplied by 1 over 8. We can then divide both sides of that equation by pi, which will cancel out the pi's on each side, and leave us with 5 is equal to r squared over 8, and then we can multiply both sides of the equation by 8. That is going to give us 40 on the left side and r squared on the right, and from here, if we take the square root of both sides of the equation, we will end up with r being equal to plus or minus the square root of 40. And we can simplify that radical a little and say r is equal to plus or minus 2 times the square root of 10. But we can even go a little better than that, because right now we have two options, 2 root 10 and negative 2 root 10. We know that the radius, because it's a length, has to be a positive value. And so our final answer is r equals 2 times the square root of 10.